Homeschool. Wanna get strong? Try my workout. I'm Lola. Do each exercise 3 times. Unicorn outfit optional. Squat low, push up. Squat low, push up. Squat low, push up. Always go lower. Everybody's favorite dips. We love dips. Dips. These are called jump throughs. Because you jump through. Climbing ropes are hard. Sometimes you fall and you just gotta get back up and try again. We never quit, ever. Seriously. Like I'm trying again. And I'm not gonna quit this.
Go, go, go! Go! Yeah!
Keep trying, you'll get better. Now crab walk. Push-ups.
Wow.
Pull-ups.
Good job. Wow.
Lunge in, lunge in, lunge in.
Lunch or lunges?
Lunging. 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 Please subscribe to our channel and share this workout with your friends. And kids, get your parents. You can do it together. I'll see you after my workout. Have a great day. Bye. See you later.